Hi, this is Andrew Moore Crispin, and welcome to How Do I Use Windows Phone 7 on Butterscotch.com. Today we're taking a look at setting up and using email. So by default, we have our Hotmail icon appears on the home screen here. We can add Google Mail, mail from our ISP, Yahoo Mail, pretty much any mail carrier you can imagine. It's pretty easy to add to the Windows Phone 7, and we'll have a quick look at how to do that. So we need to get ourselves into our settings menu. Tap on that. Now under the Systems menu, we see here Email and Accounts. Just tap on that. So now we can see the accounts that we actually have set up. So here we have our Facebook and our Windows Live. So now we're going to add a new account. In this case, like I said, we have some options for different ISP email here, Yahoo Mail, Google, and other account. In this case, we're going to go with Google. So now we just put in our email address and the password we use to access that email service. And now we can see it. It appears in our list of email and accounts. We can tap on it here and see details. So here we might want to give it a more indicative name. In this case, we could call it Butterscotch, for example. We can also choose how often we want to download new content. In this case, we have it set to every 30 minutes. We can choose every 15 minutes, every hour. We can choose to sync manually, or if we want push email, which basically means new emails will hit our inbox as soon as they arrive, we choose as items arrive. We can also choose how far back we want to grab email. And we can also see here that we have options to sync our email, our contact, and our calendars. Now if you go back to our Start menu, and flick across to the screen over here, we can now see our Google Mail account here. Now it will actually be called whatever title we gave it in the previous step. So we can take this item and we can choose to pin it to Start. In this case, we already have it in our Start menu. So we can see and access our Google Mail right here. To compose a new email, we just tap on the plus button down here. Type in the recipient email address here, subject here, and put the body down here. Now in this case, we can choose to either use the on-screen keyboard, or we can use the slide-out QWERTY keyboard that we have down here. Now we have an attachment button that we can use. If we tap on that, now like I said, we do have Office apps already built onto the phone, but we can't actually attach Office documents in this way. So what we have the only thing we can attach in this case are pictures. So we can go in and see our camera roll. We can choose to attach this picture to an email, for example. We're just going to get rid of this message, so we tap on the X button here. And now we can choose to save, discard, or cancel. We're going to choose to discard. Now if we wanted to send an Office document, we actually have to go a bit of a backwards route. Go back to our home screen here, choose the Office application. Now we can see all of our documents that we've been working on. If we tap on Explore Excel or Word or PowerPoint, we'll actually be creating a new document there. In this case, we have a document that we're working on here. Now if we wanted to send this to someone, we actually have to tap on the More button here, select Send, choose the email service we want to send with. In this case, we're sending with Google Mail. And now it's just the same method as sending an email through your regular mail client. So that's How Do I Use Email on Windows Phone 7. Be sure to check out other parts in this series at Butterscotch.com.